I'm Elaine Clayman from the Elaine Clayman Justine Bray team at Brown Harris Stevens, and we are pre-Thanksgiving, and it is definitely time to smell the roses. So I want to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving, albeit it might be small, but small gatherings, but nevertheless, there's a lot we have to be grateful for. Before I talk about our current listing, I would like to just let you know that below you'll see a variety of my paintings, and there will be an exhibit Friday, Saturday, and Sunday starting December 4th, ending January 4th, at a beautiful gallery in Pawling, New York. It's a lovely way to spend the day and do a stroll. There'll be a stroll every weekend in Pawling, and I will definitely send you more information. Feel free to reach out to me. Now, I'd like to talk about the magnificent photography of Bry Brownlee, one of our fabulous brokers. She has an amazing vision. As she's walking through the streets of New York, something catches her eye, and she takes these absolutely phenomenal photographs. And feel free to reach out to Bry Brownlee as well if you want to know more about her photography, and she's absolutely terrific. So now about one of our great listings, probably one of the best values we have, which is at 860 UN Plaza, apartment 13E. First of all, the building is a doorman concierge luxury building called United Nations Plaza. It has the longest driveway of any private residence in New York. As you enter the lobby, there's a magnificent triple height lobby. The amenities are endless. There's a library in the building. There's a gym in the building. There's a Pilates room in the building, 2 outfitted roof decks, a garage. There's a large private storage area. There's a game room. There's even a golf simulator. There's a coat room. If you have guests and you don't want the coats in the apartment, there's a private coat room where people can leave their coats in that room in the lobby. We're representing a wonderful 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with beautiful open city views, tall windows, as these buildings, the twin buildings, are known for. There's 9 closets. There's a separate bedroom wing. Bring your designer, as this is an estate sale, and you will want to put your signature on this fabulous home. There's a valet service in the building, a playground. I mean, it's endless. So I would like to invite you to call Lara Mizrack to see the apartment. You won't be disappointed. So I appreciate you tuning in, and I'm going to ask all of our friends to please click on the links so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us reach a magic number by the end of the year. We'd appreciate your help. We look forward to enjoying you and you enjoying us, and all of us enjoying our friends and family for the rest of the year before we enter 2021 and see what that will bring. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll stay in touch. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Elaine, for that wonderful introduction. Let's walk through the spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. As you pass through the threshold into your 70-foot entry gallery, you'll immediately be drawn towards your almost 33-foot long living room, dining room. The gallery is considered to be its own room, and you can imagine your art collection hanging from the walls. "13E" features walls upon walls of almost floor-to-ceiling windows that allow light to pour in at all times of the day. It is glorious open city views, allowing for gorgeous sunsets. This room is perfect for entertaining friends and family. Extremely bright and spacious. Just start to imagine your own furniture in this room. Now, let's walk from the dining room area of this room through the door into your windowed eat-in kitchen. Either one is a rarity in New York City. Even more light just pouring in. Now turning around, you can see that this kitchen is 20 feet long. And while it needs a lot of love, you can start to imagine all the amazing, fabulous meals you can cook. There's another shot. Across from the kitchen is the first of the 3 bedrooms. It has 2 closets and an ensuite bath. It features the original building marble. All 3 bathrooms in this apartment are the same size. Each of the bedrooms is generous in size and could be used as a master bedroom. This room is currently being used as a library and has a built-in bookshelf. You can see it's extremely bright and sunny. A separate split bedroom wing offers privacy while entertaining. There's a linen closet. And here's the second bedroom, currently being used as a TV and exercise room. And it has a nice large walk-in closet. Again, you have these beautiful, glorious, open city views. You can just see all of the sky. This room can be used as a home office or a home gym or as a bedroom. Now, as we walk back into the hallway and past the linen closet, we see the second bathroom. Again, it has all of the original marble. And here's the third bedroom currently being used as the master bedroom. It's a king-size bed, room for a sitting area, and of course, a wall of windows letting in loads of natural light. This room has 2 closets and an ensuite bath. Call me at 212-906-9327 to see this 3-bedroom, 3-bath for yourself. That's 212-906-9327. Thank you for taking this tour with me, and have a wonderful day. Bye.